So this is kind of an appetizer thing that I'm trying out with my friends for our Friendsgiving dinner that we're having today. I've also got the green beans, but you've already seen that recipe, so feel free to try that one out if you want to have some nice garlic caper green beans, because I'll be making those too. But as far as this goes, it's basically grilled okra, which okra's kind of weird, but I think it's okay depending on how you make it, so I'll see how this comes out. You can see this is pretty straightforward as is. There's not much going on here, so let me go ahead and just start putting this together. Oh yeah, the total cost of everything was about like $23, I think. I don't know, because I included this and those and a bunch of other stuff for the dinner, so it doesn't really. Some of this is inclusive. This might be like $10 total, I don't remember. Now of course it wants fresh okra, and the store didn't have any okra, so I just got some frozen ones, which will be okay. The recipe calls for us to grill them. I also don't have a grill, so I'm just gonna bake them in the oven instead. It'll end up the same way essentially. I also maybe should have gotten a larger pot, but all we have to do for these is put some olive oil and salt and pepper on them. So I will go ahead and do that. Maybe I should have asked for a bigger pot. Works every time. We'll go ahead and put some olive oil on. These are frozen, so I'm going to put them in the fridge and let them kind of defrost for a little bit. But other than that, where is the salt? Just kind of mix it up. Now we just kind of spread them out on a baking sheet and we're good. So of course this part's pretty easy. I've got the half cup of sour cream already in here, so now we just kind of mix in everything else. Now we just mix everything together. There's our dipping sauce, ready to go. And then after cooking them for about 20 minutes in the oven, you get that pretty much. Looks good, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Well, that's about it, so feel free to try these. We're busy cooking other stuff right now. Say hi, guys.
Cooking real food called steak.
Shut your mouth. All right, who did it?
This is good.